Playing with black pieces, it's a little more difficult because usually white has the first move, can develop the attack first and press you, right? However, by watching that video you are going to see how to counterattack white's plan. And now after d4, this is a very normal and common move. Black can continue with that move knight to f6, now we have knight d2. This is interesting, the idea is to play e4, this is the idea, and now you can counterattack by sacrificing some pawns. How to do that? We can play e5, a very nice move with the idea to open up that bishop and free the knight. White can capture that pawn, of course, but now we have knight to e4, and you can see now that we are threatening immediately to capture that pawn on e5, right? And here, if white played a bad move, h3, you can pause the video and try to think here what you are going to do with black pieces. Black can win the game immediately, and the correct move is knight to e3, because we are trapped the queen. This is a checkmate to the queen, right? The only move for white is to capture that knight, but now the real checkmate comes because we can give this check, the deadly check on this diagonal. The queen is attacking the king, and after g3 this is a final checkmate. So let's go back, because h3 is a terrible mistake actually, and the most normal move in the position is knight g to f3, right? Because it is developing a piece and protect the pawn in the same time. Now we can play something tricky, and the idea is bishop to e7. So black would like to develop, continue his development with a short castling, and after that he can play knight to c3, try to attack that pawn, and it looks nice. However, here white, the most natural move, let's say, is to play h3 again, because white is attacking that knight. It looks like that black cannot capture that pawn immediately because this is a powerful knight, so black has some problems, right? The most logical move is to put the knight on h6. But black had another idea. This is a very nice trick, so you can remember this in your own games. And the idea again is to go forward, knight e3, attacking the queen. The only move again is to capture on f takes e3. And now the real checkmate come again, bishop to h4. This was the idea, the second idea, because bishop to e7. Because if you see here, the first idea after bishop to e7 is to castling short side, but the other one is to stop this h3 move. A tricky move, because after this we can play that, he can capture the knight, and now we have the check. He has to capture with the knight, obviously. This is a check again, and checkmate. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you managed to win a game like this, you're very welcome to pose a comment below. Thank you very much, and see you soon.